guys, so I went ahead and did some Oogie Boogie nails. I hope you guys like them. So these nails here are already set and prepped. I already have base coat on them, so I'm gonna get started with this nail polish here. It's like a baby pink, so pretty. I'm going to be adding 2 layers on 3 of the nails. And this is how the set is looking so far. So now I'm going to go in with this neon green here. And this one's more sheer, so I went ahead and applied 3 coats. I'm really loving this color combination, guys. So now I'm gonna go back in with that neon green, and I'm just gonna be adding some little wiggly lines. I'm trying to make them look like worms, so that's what I'm trying to do with this nail right now. Now with this other nail, I'm gonna be using that neon green as well, and I'm just gonna be doing some little paint drips on this one. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go in with this clear polish, and it has colorful little speckles of confetti. I really like this. So cute. So I went ahead and added 3 to 4 coats. I don't really remember, but look how pretty that looks, guys. I also did it on the pinky nail. And now I'm going to be adding some rhinestones. Alright guys, and I have my little Oogie Boogie here, which I made on my Cricut machine. I was gonna draw it, but I was having a hard time, so I was like, you know what, screw this. Popped on my Cricut machine and got my Oogie Boogie sticker. So I'm applying it here very gently, and look how cute this Oogie Boogie came out, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna be pressing on it, and then I'm going to be applying 2 layers of top coat. So I did go ahead and add another layer of top coat just because I wanted it to be super secure, and there it is. My Oogie Boogie now it's ready. So this is how this set came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.